All right, and here we go for William. This is going to be 2013 Panini Crown Royal Football. 4 autographs or memorabilia per box, including two autographed cards. William, good luck. Let's get to breaking. If you'd like to get a box broken live here on Breakers TV, we're here every Monday through Friday breaking your boxes live. SteelCityCollectibles.com/breakroom is the place to go. Just click the live breaks on demand banner, get to see all the live break eligible products. Find the one you want, click the break this live for me button. We'll get it broken live for you here on Breakers TV. All right, Crown Royal Football here for William. William, good luck. Start off pack number 1. Got the Tavon Austin Choice Award Gold. That one is going to be numbered 18 of 25. Nice hit right there. Kiko Alonso for the Buffalo Bills. Arian Foster for the Texans. Jeremy Curley for the Jets. And we have a Matt Ryan Players of the Game jersey. 154 of 299. Next up, Kiko Alonso, 53 of 99 on the gold. Buffalo Bills. Got Zach Dysert, Andy Dalton, Carson Palmer. And we've got a sweet Cordero Patterson, 43 of 49 on the Crown Royal autograph. Very cool hit for William. We'll get that one sleeved up for you. Guy who's on a number of my fantasy teams, Cordero Patterson. Pinto, we've got immediate breaking available after D&M right now. So that's 2 boxes of titanium hockey. If you'd like to get something in after that, we'd love to break it for you. Just pulled, again, the Cordero Patterson Crown Royal autograph, 43 of 49. Russell Shepard, Tony Romo, and Alex Smith. And we've got another big hit, big hit, big hit. Oh, D. Milner, Crown Royal Purple autograph. That one is going to be numbered 1 of 5. So sweet hit right there for William. We'll get that one sleeved up for you as well. Very cool right there on that D. Milner autograph. Also have the Pivotal Players Ray Rice. And final pack here. It's been a great box for William. Rob Gronkowski, 2 of 99. Jack Doyle, Josh Gordon, Marshawn Lynch. And we have a Arthur Brown autograph. This one is going to be numbered 5 of 10. So 3 autograph hits in the box. 2 that are numbered, or 1 that's numbered to 5, 1 numbered to 10, and then the Cordero Patterson to 49. Get that Arthur Brown sleeved up for you as well. Great box right here of the Crown Royal Football for William. William, again, appreciate you breaking live with us here on Breakers TV. We will get those cards out to you soon. There again's that Arthur Brown. And William, again, appreciate you breaking live with us here on Breakers TV.